It's Terri Gaines. I'm going to give you some assembly tips on creating one of my Stamp Stack cards using the Golden Honey Designer Series paper. I used these 3 different prints in the packet. I do know it's no longer available. You can substitute this design with any of your favorite Designer Series paper designs and then change up the coordinating colors of the cardstock. The Designer Series paper is cut at 3.5 by 4 3/4. The layering cardstock is cut, and I'm using basic black, at 3 3/4 by 5. Prior to adhering this Designer Series paper to the cardstock, I have punched out an image using the Label Me Lovely punch, which is absolutely great for layering different other punch images on top of it. So I'm going to adhere the Designer Series paper to this basic black cardstock. And what I'll do is watch opposite corners to watch for equal spacing on top, bottom, left, and right. And once I feel that I've got it equal spacing, then I'll drop it into place. This is layered onto a Whisper White cardstock that is 5.5 by 8.5. You can score it in half at 4 1/4 with a simply scoring tool, or fold it in half and use a bone folder to crease the card. Got a lot of things on my workstation here. I'm getting a little bit in the way, so hang on one second. So this is going to be layered to that card base, and I'm going to use adhesive. You are welcome to use dimensionals to pop it up, and I'm going to watch opposite corners for equal spacing on top, bottom, and the left and right side, and place that down. The next layer on this card is going to be some gold foil. The gold foil is cut 1 by 5 1/4, and I'm taking the triple banner punch, placing it all the way in and punching out one end, rotating it and punching out the next end. I'm going to apply this with adhesive and apply this right across the bottom, and just look for equal spacing on right and left and on the bottom, like so. And then this is going to be the next layer. As I mentioned, this is punched from the basic black to maximize the cardstock. On a scrap piece of cardstock, I stamped with the Memento ink using the Peaceful Moment stamp set. I'm loving that stamp set. It has great sentiments, a variety of sentiments for the outside of your card, and wonderful sentiments for the inside of your card. I'm using the tailored label punch. I'm going to turn that upside down, punch out one of the sentiments. I'll use my adhesive to adhere this, and as I mentioned, this Label Me Lovely is perfect for layering lots of different images on it. Then I will take 3 dimensionals and place them on the back. I'll use a triangle shape for placement and take the backings off and adhere that to the bottom of the card, right in the center of that banner. And there's a super easy, fun card design. Use any of your favorite Designer Series papers, and these are all how the other 2 turned out. I hope you enjoyed this card design. If you found me via YouTube, look in the comments section for a direct link to my blog post where you'll find the supply list, measurements, and instructions for this project. There's a PDF tutorial you can download. I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red box under the video. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed creating this project with me. Stay safe and stay healthy.